My name is Luke and I'm 11 years old and I have autism. Autism doesn't mean I can't do as much as other people. All it means is that my brain works differently to most people. Generally, it is misunderstood. It is not my choice to act differently to other people, it's just how my brain works. My likes and dislikes are more extreme than other people's. This means I tend to have obsessions, which includes Doctor Who, dinosaurs, and Sonic. But these can change over time. One week I can be obsessed with Sonic, and the next I switch over to dinosaurs.
Woo!
Sometimes my senses are heightened. For example, certain sounds can be very irritating to me.
Pizza's ready, Luke.
Hold on, Mom, I'm coming. This pizza smells good. Zach's stinky feet. Finished my episode of Doctor Who and my pizza. So anyway, having autism also makes it hard to make friends as we think differently and sometimes we can seem a bit weird to others, but please give people with autism a chance. Thanks for the pizza, Ma'am.